something that's good for me.
Roland Blazay, this is Kompa KeyboardSchool.com. Let's go! So guys, as you heard, we're on the key of A flat, and as the last lesson, we start on the F minor. So what's your chord progression? F minor, B flat minor, E flat major, B flat minor, F minor. So you just go back and forth. So it's really a 2, 6, 2, 5, 2. Now in the last lesson we learned to just use these notes as your these notes. As far as Gouyad notes, since B flat is your 2, we turned it into a 7. But we're going to, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the left binder and your passing chord, which is your B flat. B flat minor. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. So you're doing your regular solo. So in your 1, you can do the regular, your first chord. Remember your progression is a F, B flat, B flat, B flat. So you can start it off, since your first chord is just an F minor, you can start it off like this. This is part of your F minor, but I just inverted it. And then since we're going to this B flat minor, I go. So I take the 5th note of the B flat minor and the 1st note of the B flat minor and go. And you see, watch what I'm doing with the binder. I move it up and let it go. I let it go fast. I slide it up slowly and let it go fast. So it's and then I go to my E flat major. Because this B flat is your passing chord, so that's why you're doing that. So it matches. And then I inverted it again. This D flat is a part of the B flat minor. So that's what I do. I'm basically using the binder a certain way. Because watch what I do, guys. We're going to put the beat back on so you guys can understand this a little bit better. So watch what I do, guys. So I hope you guys understand what I'm doing. Always know your passing chord in your progression, which is the note that's in between your chords. In this case, since we're doing an F, then a B flat, then an E flat, then a B flat, your B flat repeats, so that's your passing chord. So all I'm doing is I'm taking, instead of doing a regular B flat, I inverted it. And I even removed this D, and I go. I move the left binder up and let it go. So you have to learn that binder action, guys. So I do a 6, 2, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. So you can use your passing chord over and over again. I know it doesn't fit into the progression timing, but your passing chord can always be touched in your song. That's one thing you're going to learn in Kompa. So guys, try out this technique for yourselves. Even in the end day, let's go to the end day real quick. So it's so watch what I do here. So since we're still in the key of A flat and D minor, D flat major is your passing chord. Watch what I do. So that groove doesn't fit into the regular chord progression of the 1, 4, 5, 4, because I'm just going over and over again. I'm hitting my passing chord, which is. So remember in Kompa, you can always hit your passing chord as many times as you want. Like a lot of people, if you're doing like a minor, an A minor, A, and then you go to a D minor, then an E major, then a D minor. Watch this. Watch me go to the D minor a lot. That's my passing chord. What? So even in the minor, your passing chord can be touched throughout the song. You don't have to stay on the passing chord, but you can touch it throughout the song. So guys, always keep that in mind when you're doing any solo or groove in Kompa. Your passing chord can be touched. But in this specific solo, we're basically using our binder. And I move this up to add more of the chorus to it, so it can sound more full. After I slide this up and down, I move this up. So guys, this is a quick lesson on soloing techniques. I hope you guys can sharpen up your soloing skills as you learn most of the lessons I taught you so far. So we're going to try out something from the last lesson in this lesson. We're going to try the binder technique, and we're going to try the passing chord technique. So let's try both of them out together in this lesson so you guys can apply both. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that Kompa, you will learn Kompa, you will know how to play, and we've just released the official beginner's Kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. This Kompa course, how to chaque, simple solo tips. You will know how to start your journey off playing Kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play Kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to Kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your Kompa course now and start playing Kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.